Hello everyone and welcome to another recipe. This is a vegetarian dish and it's very easy and simple, also a quick recipe. So let's get started with this recipe. I've used one cauliflower and cut it into florets, wash it. I'm going to place a pan and let it get hot. Spread some oil in this. You can use either coconut oil or ghee. After it gets hot, I'm going to add the cauliflower. Add in some salt. All the ingredients that I've used in this recipe and the measurements have been mentioned down below in the description box, so you can refer to it. Also, I've mentioned the macros of this dish, so give it a good mix and then close it with a lid for around 3 to 5 minutes. After it is cooked, just give it a good stir. The cauliflower needs to be half cooked, after which I'm going to fry it for quite some time so that it gets a roasted look. Add some butter. Keep stirring it occasionally and let it fry on high flame so that it gets that golden brown look and it gives a roasted taste. So this is a very quick and simple dish to prepare. All that you'll require is only 2 to 3 ingredients. Add in some mixed herbs. And some pepper powder as per your taste. You can also add garlic in this during seasoning, but I have excluded it. Add finely chopped coriander. Put the gas off and serve it on a plate. Grate some cheese on this. Now there are variety of cheese available in the market. You can use any cheese of your choice. And here's the cheesy cauliflower ready, which is a quick and a simple recipe to prepare. So do try this out. It's a tasty dish and let me know how you liked it.